Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video we will solve the last question, that is question number 5 from exercise 7.3 chapter 7 coordinate geometry. In my previous videos I've completed the distance, section and area of a triangle formula examples 1 to 14, exercises 7.1 and 7.2 from the same chapter and questions 1 to 4 from the same exercise. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So now quickly let us begin with the video. Question number 5 from exercise 7.3 chapter 7 coordinate geometry says, you have studied in class 9th chapter 9 example 3 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are point A 4, -6, point B 3, -2 and point C 5, 2. So according to what you have studied in chapter 9 in your class 9th example 3 is, so when we have a triangle ABC, we have a triangle ABC whose vertices are 4, -6, 3, -2 and 5, 2. So the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. So when we draw a median from any one vertex to the opposite side, so here we can draw a median from the vertex A to the side BC. Let us name this median as point D. This median AD divides the whole triangle into triangle ABD and triangle ADC, where the two triangles ABD and ADC are equal in areas. So we have to prove that. So let us write down, since AD is the median of the triangle ABC, therefore D will become the midpoint of the side BC. D is the midpoint of side, right? So now we have to find out area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ADC. So now we have to prove that area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ADC. Now point D forms the midpoint of the side BC. So we have to find out the coordinates of point D so that we can find out area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ADC by applying the formula area of a triangle. So since D forms the midpoint of BC, so here we can apply the midpoint formula to find out the coordinates of point D. So therefore coordinates of point D can be found out by using midpoint formula. So this formula we have discussed in my previous videos and also in the introduction part of area of a triangle. So do watch that video so that you have a better understanding. So a midpoint formula is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2. This forms the x coordinate, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2 forms the y coordinate. So when we assume point B to be x1 y1 and point C to be x2 y2. Now let us substitute in this formula and find out the coordinates of point D. So what is x1 value? It is 3 plus x2 is 5 divided by 2. And what is y1? y1 is -2, y2 is +2 divided by. So the coordinate of point D will be 5 plus 3 is 8 by 2, -2 and +2 will be 0. So anything divided by 0 will be 0. So again we can cancel here, 2 1 times, 2 4 times. So therefore the coordinate of point D is 4, 0. So let us write down here 4, 0. Now let us find out the area of triangle ABD and ADC by applying the formula area of triangle. So area of triangle is given by half into, since triangle has 3 vertices, 1, we will write down like this, and we have to move in a cyclic order in any one of the directions. Since coordinate is given by x, y, so we will take x first, x1 into, which are the other two numbers, y2, and in brackets we are going to take y2 minus y3. Similarly, now we are going to take x2 into y3 minus y1. You have to move in the cyclic order only. Then we will take x3. Now after 3, which are the numbers? It is y1 minus y2 into y1 minus y2. So this is how we remember this formula without any mistakes. So first we will find out area of triangle ABD, that is equal to, so here let us assume point A to be x1 y1, point B to be x2 y2, and let point D be x3 y. Again the coordinates should be taken in a cyclic manner only. So half into, substituting the values, x1 is 4 into y2 minus y3, so y2 is minus 2 minus y3 is 0 plus x2 is 3 into y3 is 0 minus y1 is minus 6, so minus and minus will become plus 6 plus x3 is 4 into y1 is minus 6 minus of y2 is minus 2, so minus and minus will become plus 2. So simplifying further, we will have half into 4 minus 2 and minus 0, so this will become 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 0 plus 6 is 6, so 6 into 3 it is 18. And here we have minus 6 and plus 2, so we will here subtract with a greater number sign. So 6 minus 2 is 4, so minus into plus is minus, 4 4s are 16, right? So first we will add minus 8 and minus 16. 8 plus 6 will be 14, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, so this is minus 24. We have to take plus 18, so here we will subtract with a greater number sign. 18 minus 24, so carrying 14 minus 8 will be 6, will be left behind, so minus 6 is the answer. So this will be 1 by 2 into minus 6, so cancelling to 1 times to 3 times, so here we will get minus 3. So since the area of any figure cannot be negative, we will take only 3 value, so therefore area of the triangle ABCD will be 3 square units. Similarly, let us find out the area of triangle ADC now. So to find out area of triangle ADC, let us assume point A to be x1 y1, point D to be x2 y2 now, and let point C be x3 y3. Right, so substituting the values again, half into what is x1, it is 4 into y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3, so y2 is 0 minus y3 is 2 plus x2 is 4 into y3 is 2 minus y1 is minus 6, so this will become minus and minus will become plus 6 plus x3 is 5 into y1 is minus 6 minus of y2 is 0, right? So half into 0 minus 2 is minus 2, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, again here 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 4s are 32. Then again here minus 6 and minus 0 will become minus 6. Minus 6 into 5 will be minus. So what is minus 8 and minus 30? So we will add here with a minus sign. So 0 plus 8 is 8. So this is minus 38. Now we have to add plus 32. So since signs are different, we are going to subtract with a greater number sign. So 38 minus 32 is minus 6. So here again we will get half into minus 6, so cancelling to 1 times to 3 times, so the value we got here as minus 3. So again, since the area cannot be negative, so we are going to consider only the digit number here, that is area of triangle ADC is equal to 3 square units. Area of triangle ADC is equal to 3 square units. So here we can observe that clearly the area of triangle ADC is 3 square units and area of triangle ABD is also 3 square units. Therefore, hence we can say that the median of a triangle divides it into 2 triangles of equal triangles, right? So write down, since here area of triangle ADC is equal to area of triangle ABD, hence the median of a triangle, divides it into 2 triangles of equal areas, Right, so this is how we solve this problem. If you have any further doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be starting with a new chapter. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC NCERT Math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 7 coordinate geometry shown on the screen. Thank you.